Greetings. I am a representative of the AntiSinite movement. These videos are not edited. They are AI assisted and read from script. This subject is part 2 of being an AntiSinite. Part 2 of being an AntiSinite. Practical application. To be a practicing anti-Sinite, one must incorporate sin-free principles and practices into our everyday actions and decisions. This involves, number one, is honesty, truthfulness, always speaking the truth, and avoiding deceit or sinful manipulation of any kind. We are kind. We incorporate kindness and must consider our actions and behavior to maintain kindness in the treatment of others with compassion and respect, regardless of differences. This builds integrity, the integrity upholding moral and ethical standards in all aspects of life, including personal, professional, and social interactions. We must reflect on ourselves and understand and realize the accountability of remaining sin-free, taking responsibility for one's actions and seeking to make amends when we are wrong. This is a personal growth factor of personal growth and development. Becoming an anti-Sinite is a continuous process. It's a continuous process. It requires ongoing self-reflection, learning, and personal growth. Individuals must be willing to recognize our flaws, seek forgiveness, and strive for improvement by acknowledging God's divine commandments and practicing the directives given from God as God's behavioral science for our sin-free righteous development of character. We look to each other to gain strength in unity and community in support of one another. While the journey to becoming an anti-Sinite is of one's personal choice, it as well lends support by a community of like-minded individuals coming together. This community works to provide encouragement, accountability, and guidance, helping each member to maintain our commitment to a sin-free life. We are all role models and leaders. All of us, under God's guidance in our practice of sin-free living, are role models and leaders, individuals in positions of influence, such as parents, teachers, preachers, and politicians, play a crucial role in demonstrating anti-Sinite values. By leading through example, we inspire others to adopt and maintain a sin-free lifestyle. We're laying a foundation. This foundation we're laying is a sin-free ethical foundation. A sin-free ethical foundation. The concept of being an anti-Sinite is rooted in spiritual, sin-free, righteous, religious beliefs that define what is considered sinful. Understanding God's commandments, statutes, laws, and adhering to these beliefs and practices is essential for anyone striving to be an anti-Sinite. However, the core idea remains universal. living a life of sin-free moral integrity and righteous behavior. We must have righteous behavior. This is the final result of coming together with God in the essence of God and the oneness of God, is our behavior is compatible with God's divine commandment of sin-free living. Benefits of a sin-free life. Living as an anti-Sinite brings numerous benefits, both personally and socially. A sinless lifestyle leads to a sense of inner peace, fulfillment, and purpose. Additionally, a community or society with a high concentration of anti-Sinites is likely to experience greater harmony, trust, and cooperation amongst each other. Of course, we can understand this. We can realize this to be true. Any society with a higher concentration of people who are actively participating in living sin-free lives is likely, more than likely, to experience greater harmony, trust, and cooperation amongst each other. That's plain and simple. In summary, the path to becoming an anti-Sinite is open to all who are willing to commit a life free from sin. Commit to a life free from sin. It requires dedication, self-discipline, and continuous effort to uphold moral and ethical principles and practices. By embracing the values of honesty, kindness, integrity, and truthful accountability, anyone can strive to be an anti-Sinite, no matter what age, and contribute to a more just and compassionate world. Peace.